When the shipbuilding traditions of the past meet the technologies of the future, it becomes possible to innovate beyond the current realities of shipbuilding. Those shipbuilding realities are unlike those in any other industry. The design, engineering, and construction of projects is distributed around the globe. Financing realities dictate that innovation cannot jeopardize the project at hand. The massive scale of projects means working with millions of individual parts. Construction begins before engineering is complete, and engineering begins before the design is approved. Vessels in service for decades results in 30-plus year life cycles. At SSI, we live and breathe the rapidly evolving technologies that define the future of shipbuilding, and we know how to implement them specifically for shipbuilders. Now more than ever, shipbuilding is a global industry. This reality offers a world of opportunity alongside new challenges. Design and engineering teams, customers, partners, vendors, and suppliers are distributed across the globe. A variety of organizations are completing their portion of projects in different parts of the world. Individual vessels are built collaboratively, and sister ships are often constructed in different locations. To tackle these challenges, teams must collaborate freely with each other and other organizations. Cost-effective training must be available for any market. And information needs to flow freely and securely between organizations, departments, tools, and processes. With these advantages, your organization will have the tools needed for shipbuilding at a global scale. SSI, empowering shipbuilders to focus on what they do best: shipbuilding. No matter what, every day, month, and year, shipbuilders need to see a return on investment. This is true whether the focus is on the entire project, the current block about to be cut, or new digital technology. But with the constantly fluctuating amount of work, the need to balance new technology with ongoing commitments can be challenging. By equipping your teams with the tools to respond to market changes as needed, and introducing innovation without jeopardizing current projects, your organization can achieve a quick ROI and confidently focus on shipbuilding. SSI, empowering shipbuilders to focus on what they do best: shipbuilding. The scale of shipbuilding projects can be massive. Shipbuilding projects have hundreds of thousands of individual parts that require enormous workforces to design, engineer, purchase, manufacture, and assemble. The complexity of shipbuilding projects increases when they involve building ships in a series. Ships built in this manner can be surprisingly different, and managing the change between sister ships is daunting. Each and every part, ship, and department generates unique data. But using that data to ensure every aspect of a shipyard is operating with the right information is a challenge. Taking back control over your data and using that information to manage changes in real time gives your organization the power to focus on shipbuilding at a massive scale. SSI, empowering shipbuilders to focus on what they do best: shipbuilding. In many ways, shipbuilding is different than any other industry. And those differences make typical design, build, and maintenance challenges more complicated. Consumer goods are designed once and manufactured millions of times. Buildings are often designed and built once. Even airplanes are engineered once and built hundreds of times. But shipbuilding programs must work with a long list of design and engineering changes between each ship, even when those ships are within the same class. Unlike large onshore structures, ships are designed and engineered to meet a varying landscape of environmental and political regulations. To fulfill those requirements and still meet milestones, design, engineering, planning, procurement, and construction all need to happen simultaneously across projects and phases. The speed and volume of connections made between concurrent activities make shipbuilding a hugely complex endeavor. These and other unique challenges leave shipbuilders needing solutions that understand the industry. SSI, empowering shipbuilders to focus on what they do best: shipbuilding. Ships have a life cycle that spans decades, and they need consistent maintenance, repair, and retrofit to continue to fit into a changing technological, environmental, and regulatory landscape. However, as-built digital twins are often not delivered along with the vessel. When a digital twin is included, it may not be compatible with current or future technology, making it difficult for the owner and operator to manage a ship through its life cycle. For owners and operators to have full confidence in their vessels when a digital twin is not available, it is crucial to ensure that their organizations can quickly capture the as-is conditions. Regardless, owners and operators need to manage existing hard copy and digital designs and information to deliver comprehensive digital representations that will always be accessible. Ensuring that shipbuilders, ship owners, and ship operators can see past current and future work will maximize the vessel's return on investment and extend its life. SSI, empowering shipbuilders to focus on what they do best: shipbuilding. SSI empowers shipbuilders to focus on what they do best: shipbuilding.